the creativity you hold inside. Right here, feel empowered and new. Miss V designs for you. Miss V designs for you.
Hey y'all, it's Miss V it's Verlinda with Miss V Designs for You, here with another haul. This haul is from HSN, and it's some of the Anna Griffin items that they had on sale. Lord knows I need to buy no more nothing. But I do have the Anna Griffin Empress die cutting machine. So I did get a nice little trinket here. Let's see. It is the Anna Griffin vacuum, scrape can, and tweezers. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. I just can't resist Anna Griffin. I have so many things of hers. And I really plan to use these things. See? Mini vacuum. I was going to get the We Are Memory Keepers, or the We Are Memory, whatever the new name is. I was going to get theirs. But I'm glad I didn't, because now I have Anna Griffin. Oh, these are some nice tweezers. Okay, let's see. Nice. She always have the nice quality, very nice tweezers. Okay. And this is the waste basket. Okay, Anna. With the waste basket, girl. Let's see. I'm sure there's probably some instructions in here. But that's very nice. Nice and coordinating. Okay. Especially nice if you go to those crops, or just to sit here at your work table for your trash. Isn't that nice? Very nice. And you can snap it onto something, or like your cart. Yeah, that's nice. And I did catch a deal. Plus, I had a couple of coupons. Yeah, that's nice. So you got that. And then here's the vacuum. Hopefully it has a good force on it. Okay. Let's see. Sure. Gotta see what kind of batteries it take. Oh, I ain't got on no glasses. Ew. Let's see. Dang, it usually says on the inside. Let's see. I got some batteries over here. Is it AA? I don't know if these batteries work, y'all. We should find out in a minute. Let's see. Let's get it on here right. Let's see. I do need to read the instructions. Oh. I'm not sure. I feel a lot of air coming out this way. Hold on. But I guess I will have to do a test so I can let you guys know if it really does suck up. Let's see. Let's see if I cut a little bit of something. Oh, I don't know if this is too big, but I know it probably do stuff like glitter. Let's see. This is just a couple of pieces of plastic. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Wow. Okay. That should work for little pieces of paper and glitter and all that good stuff. I see where you cleaned it out. You hear that in there? All right, Anna. Oh, that is so nice. I love it. See how it coordinates with her Empress? Very nice. Very nice. I know I got a kind of crazy view here, but yeah. Yeah, and so that's it for my Anna Griffin haul from HSN. Okay, I think the total of it. Oh, shoot. I have one more item, you guys. I forgot. One more important item. I did get some dies. I couldn't resist. Lord knows. If I ever show you guys my embossing and die collection, and I haven't used any of it in a while, you guys are going to talk about me. Look at that. I couldn't resist this. I could not resist this. This is called the praying hands, like for making cards or different things. Now I can't wait to use these because I'm always trying to find cards like for pastors or ministers when we have appreciation services. So now I can make some custom cards. That's awesome. I love it. And I'm sure these are embossing and bossing. Let's see. Add it to my, hopefully these won't collect dust like everything else, but you know, Anna, she likes very frilly stuff. So this is some examples of the praying hand cards here. Really nice. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Yeah, it does die cut and emboss. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Can't wait to use it. And that's it for this HSN haul. So stay tuned for another video. Please like and follow and subscribe this video and to my YouTube channel. And you can follow me on all social media platforms at Miss V Designs for You. Until next time, bye.